Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you a 74 Pontiac Firebird Formula. It was originally a 400 car. I can't find a code on the engine block that's in there, so I don't know if it's original engine or not. But it has a Formula hood, has a tag on the front showing a 400. Pretty solid car, not a rust-free car by any means. This thing's a barn find, been sitting for years. You can see the door scraped, a little bubbling down on the fender down there. Quarters are gone. You'd have to fix the quarters. Actually, you could fix that lower part down there and then maybe some rear quarter work. But floors are okay, not perfect. If you see in there in that corner, there's a little hole right there. So they're a little weak, but they're not completely gone. Interior's all original. There's some stuff they took off the motor. Radiator's gone, but it is an automatic. Drive shaft's in the back. Is an AC car. Missing a lot of it, but like I said, it is for the most part a complete car. Like I said, there's some Bondo in that corner and a little rust there, so I don't know if you're gonna fix it, whether it'd be better to put a new quarter on there or not. Same deal here, you got rust in the quarter there, definitely on the lower side. The back floor plan there looked pretty good, and then I thought I seen a little hole up right there, you can see it. So definitely something to keep you busy, keep you out of trouble. But 74 Firebird Formula, pretty cool car if you get it done. So any questions, 605-695-7391.